Is your transmission acting like it has a mind of its own, or is your speedometer bouncing around like crazy? You might be dealing with the OBD2 trouble code P0723, which points to an intermittent issue with your transmission output speed sensor. This is a generic powertrain code that applies to a huge range of vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, VW, and many others. The job of the output speed sensor is to tell your powertrain control module exactly how fast the output shaft is spinning so it can time your gear shifts perfectly. When this signal cuts in and out, your car gets confused. You will likely notice your check engine light popping on and your fuel economy taking a hit because the engine and transmission are no longer in sync. The transmission might shift very roughly, or it might refuse to shift into certain gears altogether. In some cases, your car might even go into limp mode to protect itself from damage. One of the clearest signs is an erratic or totally dead speedometer, since this sensor often provides that data. Common causes range from simple things like low or dirty transmission fluid and a clogged filter to more complex issues like a defective sensor or a faulty shift solenoid. Sometimes the problem is just a loose or corroded connector under the car that is getting hit by road debris. To fix this, you should start by checking your fluid level and condition. If the fluid looks burnt or smells bad, a flush and a new filter might be the answer. Take a close look at the wiring leading to the sensor for any signs of rubbing or burnt spots. If you have a digital multimeter, you can perform continuity checks. You are looking for 0 ohms of resistance in the wiring. If the wires are fine and the fluid is clean, the sensor itself is likely the culprit. You should head to a professional mechanic if the gear shifts are becoming violent or if you are not comfortable working under the vehicle near the transmission linkage. Fixing this early prevents a moderate problem from turning into a total transmission failure that could cost thousands of dollars. Always check for technical service bulletins for your specific make and model before you start buying parts, because there might be a known software update or a specific repair procedure that saves you a lot of time and money. Stay safe on the road and keep that transmission running smooth.